If you're between 60 and 80 years old, take a moment and stay with us. This could be one of the most important videos you watch today. We're about to talk about 5 common daily habits that could be quietly taking a toll on your health. The good news? Avoiding them can help you enjoy more years of life filled with energy, clear thinking, and the ability to do what you love without holding back. These aren't complicated tips, just simple changes that can make a huge difference. In fact, mistake number 3 is something most people do every single day without realizing how harmful it can be. And that one habit alone might be affecting your brain, your body, and your mood more than you know. So make sure to watch all the way through. We're here to help you take control of your health in a real, lasting way. If you're ready to feel better and live better, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips just like this. And we'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us which of these habits surprised you the most. Let's build a strong, supportive community together, starting right now. Number 1, forgetting to stay strong. Staying strong is important for everyone, not just athletes or bodybuilders. Many people think muscles are only for those who spend hours at the gym, but that's not true. Our muscles help us with everyday activities like walking, standing up, carrying things, and keeping our balance. They play a big role in keeping us steady and safe as we move through life. As we get older, our muscles naturally start to get weaker. This happens to everyone, but if we don't do anything about it, it can lead to problems. Weak muscles make it harder to move around, and they increase the risk of falling. Falls can be dangerous, especially for older adults, and may lead to broken bones or long recovery times in the hospital. The good news is that you don't need to do anything extreme to stay strong. Simple exercises like lifting light weights, doing slow and gentle squats, or using stretchy resistance bands can really help. You only need to do these exercises about twice a week to keep your muscles in good shape. It doesn't take long, and it can even be done at home. When your muscles are strong, your whole body works better. You feel more stable on your feet, your posture improves, and you're less likely to fall or get hurt. This strength helps you stay active and independent, so you can keep doing the things you enjoy, like walking the dog, gardening, or playing with your grandkids. It's never too late to start taking care of your muscles. Even small steps can make a big difference over time. Staying strong means staying healthy, steady, and confident in your body. So try adding a few simple strength exercises into your weekly routine. You'll thank yourself later. Number 2, poor sleep patterns. Getting enough sleep isn't just about how many hours you spend in bed. It's also about the quality of that sleep. Many people don't realize that both too little and too much sleep can be harmful. If you regularly get less than 7 hours a night, you might notice problems with memory, mood, or even your heart health. On the other hand, sleeping too much could be a sign that something else is wrong in your body, like low energy levels or an underlying illness. Your brain and body need a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to function properly. This is the time when your brain processes memories, your heart gets a break, and your body repairs itself. When you skip sleep or stay up too late, you interrupt these important processes. Over time, poor sleep can lead to stress, anxiety, and physical health problems you may not even notice right away. One of the best ways to improve your sleep is to create a calming nighttime routine. This helps tell your body and mind that it's time to relax and wind down. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps set your internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep naturally. Also, think about your environment before bed. Dim the lights, lower the noise, and put away your phone or tablet at least 30 minutes before sleep. The blue light from screens can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, read a book, stretch a little, or listen to soft music. A warm, caffeine-free drink like herbal tea can also help your body relax. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a basic need. Just like eating well and staying active, sleeping right helps you stay strong, sharp, and healthy. Treat your sleep like a daily habit that deserves care and attention. Your brain, heart, and mood will all thank you for it. Number 3, withdrawing from the world. People need people. It's a basic part of being human. Even if you're someone who enjoys quiet time and being alone, you still need some kind of connection with others. We are not meant to live completely on our own. Talking, laughing, and spending time with others helps us feel like we belong and are cared for. When we start pulling away from others and spend too much time alone, it can affect our health. Feeling lonely all the time can lead to sadness, stress, and even serious health problems like heart issues or memory loss as we get older. Our minds and bodies work better when we feel connected and supported. Being around others isn't just good for your health, it also makes you feel more alive. A short chat with a friend, a smile from a neighbor, or a shared laugh can lift your mood. These moments remind you that you're not alone. They help you feel seen, valued, and understood. You don't need a big group of friends to feel connected. Small steps can make a big difference. Try joining a hobby group, going for a walk with someone, or helping out at a local charity. Doing things with others gives you a sense of purpose and brings joy into your life. So don't stay too closed off from the world. Make an effort to stay in touch with people, even in small ways. Connection helps you stay healthy, happy, and full of life. Let others in. You might be surprised how much better you'll feel. Number 4, overlooking water intake. As we get older, our sense of thirst doesn't always work the way it used to. You might not feel thirsty as often, even when your body really needs water. This can be tricky because it makes it easy to forget to drink enough fluids throughout the day. But just because you're not feeling thirsty doesn't mean your body doesn't need water. Staying hydrated is super important for your health. Water helps your body do so many things, like keeping your energy up, supporting your memory, and helping your organs work properly. Without enough fluids, you might start feeling tired, dizzy, or even confused. Some people also get headaches or muscle cramps when they don't drink enough water. You don't have to drink huge amounts of water all at once. The goal is to get about 6 to 8 cups of fluids a day, and this can come from different sources. Plain water is great, but you can also have herbal teas or foods with high water content. Fruits like watermelon, oranges, and strawberries are tasty ways to sneak in extra hydration without much effort. Think of water as your body's natural maintenance fluid. Just like a car needs oil to run smoothly, your body needs water to keep everything working right. Without it, things can start to go wrong, slowly and quietly at first, but seriously over time. That's why it's so important to make hydration a daily habit, even if you're not feeling especially thirsty. To make it easier, try keeping a water bottle nearby or setting reminders to take a sip now and then. You can also include a glass of water with every meal or snack. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in how you feel and how well your body works. Staying hydrated really is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to support your health. Number 5, living without a reason to wake up. One of the most powerful things that affects how long and how well we live is having a reason to wake up each day. When people feel needed or excited about something, they tend to live longer and feel more fulfilled. It's not just about physical health. Having purpose boosts mental and emotional well-being too. Without it, days can feel empty, and life can start to lose its spark. A purpose doesn't have to be anything huge or world-changing. Many people think it has to be a big mission, like starting a business or saving the planet. But that's not true. It can be something small and personal, like taking care of a pet, cooking meals for your family, or even feeding the birds outside your window. What matters is that it brings you joy and makes you feel like your day has meaning. For some, purpose comes from relationships. Spending time with grandkids, helping a friend, or volunteering in the community can fill your heart with warmth. Others find meaning in creativity, learning to paint, writing poetry, or playing an instrument. Even simple hobbies like gardening or fixing things around the house can give a sense of achievement and happiness. When you have something to look forward to, your mind becomes more active and your body follows. You get out of bed with more energy and enthusiasm. Purpose gives you direction, something to work toward, and a reason to keep going, especially during tough times. It helps you stay sharp, social, and emotionally strong. In the end, what truly matters is that your purpose feels right to you. It doesn't have to impress anyone else. Whether it's mentoring someone younger, growing tomatoes in your backyard, or learning something new, it's all about finding what lights you up inside. That spark can keep you going stronger and longer than you ever imagined. Avoiding these habits isn't about cutting out joy or becoming overly strict. It's really about saying yes to a better life. When we let go of the things that quietly harm us, we open the door to more energy, better moods, and longer years filled with real happiness. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. And every small step toward healthier habits is a step toward a life that feels good from the inside out. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to have more days where you wake up feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and ready to take on whatever comes your way? That kind of life doesn't come from luck. It comes from the little choices we make every day. And often, it's the habits we ignore or brush off that slowly shape how we feel, move, and even how long we live. So now that you've learned about these habits, take a moment to reflect. Which one hit home the most for you? Maybe it's staying up too late, skipping meals, or constantly stressing over small things. Whatever it is, just being aware of it is the first powerful step. You don't need to change everything overnight. You just need to be willing to begin. What if one small decision today made a huge difference years from now? Imagine yourself dancing at your great-grandchild's wedding, laughing freely with lifelong friends, or simply enjoying a peaceful morning, pain-free and full of joy. That future is built on the tiny, intentional choices you make today. It's never too late to start. You're not too old, too far gone, or too busy to live well. In fact, this might be the perfect moment to begin. Your body, your mind, and your future self will thank you for choosing a life that's not just about existing, but about truly thriving.